Hello, welcome to our channel A to Z Immigration Updates. In this video we will describe you about what is Global Talent Visa Program. Global competition for talent is intensifying. Australia is working to attract the best and brightest, to help grow a stronger economy. The Australian government has established the Global Business and Talent Attraction Task Force to attract high-value businesses and exceptionally talented individuals to Australia, along with their ideas, networks and capital. Australia has dedicated talent attraction programs designed to turbocharge the Australian economy. The Global Talent Visa Program, also known as the Global Talent Independent Program, is a streamlined visa pathway for highly skilled professionals to work and live permanently in Australia. Australia is after the brightest and best global talent to work in 7 future-focused sectors. The program is designed to help grow our innovation and tech economies. This will create opportunities for Australians by transferring skills, promoting innovation, and creating jobs. Australia is also a lifestyle destination, and one of the most prosperous, safe and culturally diverse countries in the world. Australia offers opportunities for innovation, with strong trading links and a business-friendly regulatory approach. Through the program, talented individuals will be given permanent residency to make their new lives in Australia. Global talent officers are usually located in London, Shanghai, Singapore, and Washington, D.C. and promote the program by engaging with prospective applicants, business and industry. Here are some eligibility criteria for Global Talent Visa Program. To be granted a visa under the Global Talent Visa Program, a candidate will be highly skilled in one of the 7 target sectors. They will also be able to attract a salary that meets the high income threshold. Target sectors are Agtech, Space and Advanced Manufacturing, Fintech, Energy and Mining Technology, Medtech, Cybersecurity, Quantum Information, Advanced Digital, Data Science and ICT. To be eligible to apply for the Global Talent Visa Program under the Distinguished Talent Visa, individuals must prove they are internationally recognized with evidence of outstanding achievements. Still be prominent in their field of expertise. Provide evidence that they would be an asset to Australia in their area of expertise. Have no difficulty obtaining employment in Australia or becoming established in their field. Have a recognized organization or individual in Australia nominate them as global talent in the same field as the applicant. Candidates must meet a high standard and show an exceptional track record of professional achievement. This may include senior roles, patents, professional awards and international publications and memberships. Places are also available to PhD graduates and certain PhD students who are nearing completion of their thesis and can demonstrate their exceptional talent and international recognition in a target sector. High income threshold. Candidates should have the ability to attract a salary at or above the Fair Work high income threshold of 153 Australian dollars, 600. This figure is adjusted annually on 1st July. In assessing this, will consider current salary shown through pay slips or a contract, or future job offers outlining remuneration, or recent PhD graduates in the target sectors. Now the main question is how to apply for Global Talent Visa Program. So, the first step is expression of interest. Submit an expression of interest, EOI, using Global Talent Contact Form. If you meet the program parameters, you will receive an unique invitation reference identifier and invitation code. They will contact you if your EOI has been successful. They are unable to provide updates on EOI processing. If your EOI is unsuccessful, you will be notified via email. You can explore other visa options, and most important thing is expressions of interest can be submitted without contact from a global talent officer. Second step is applying for a visa. After you receive an invitation reference identifier and invitation code, lodge the visa application via your account. If you are in or outside Australia at the time of application, lodge the subclass 858 Distinguished Talent Visa. Refer to the above visa subclass for information on health and character checks, including family members in the visa application and your obligations. You can add immediate family members to your application at any time before we decide on your application. Family members who apply for the visa must meet our health and character requirements. What are nominators? As part of the application, you must be nominated by an eligible individual or organization with a national reputation in your field. The nominator will endorse your achievements and international standing. They are not required to provide you with employment in Australia. Additional information around the requirements of the nominator can be found on Form 1000. Form link is in the description, which the nominator will be required to complete if you are invited to apply. You will not be required to provide a nominator at the EOI stage. Global talent officers cannot be your nominator. You cannot change your nominator once the Distinguished Talent Visa application has been lodged.
Thanks for watching. For more immigration information, click on the link in the description. And stay tuned with us and don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel.